Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and a while back I showed how cool this little dinosaur was for working with the Glowforge. My friend, somebody on the internet said, hey, can you show us what it looks like in the dark? So, let's get cracking. Alright, so as you can see, it is pretty darn slick. Has a cool little remote that lets you control it. I was clicking through them one at a time so you can see all the different colors, but it has modes where it'll do that for you. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.